Hey everyone, welcome back to Thirsty on Thursday. This past weekend, my wife and we tried to figure out what we wanted for dinner. I'm sure you've gone through this before. Well, it always went something like this. So what are you in the mood for, hon? I don't know, what about you? Well, it doesn't matter to me. How about Mexican? We have Mexican all the time. Well, I really don't care. Just pick something, I'll go get it. How about some burgers? No, I had burgers for lunch. Do you want to just eat here? Nah, I don't want to have to clean up after everything. And so on, and so on, and so on. I'm sure you've gone through this before. So after about a 30-minute session of this, I was driving to get the Chinese food we decided on. I began thinking, wow, this should have been an easy decision. Imagine if this was a kitchen remodel. With all the varieties of products in today's industry, a simple decision has to be overwhelming to homeowners. If people can't even decide on something as easy as what to eat for dinner, how can we convince them on which product to choose in their kitchen remodel? So if you notice this is happening at your meeting, the next time you have one, it is best for the salesperson, you, to take over and take control. Imagine taking all the samples for them to pick just one out of all of those. It becomes overwhelming. You have to take control as a salesperson. The salesperson has made a connection with the homeowner and acknowledged that they have the same thoughts and the same goals for the renovation, just like the client. The salesperson is hired to make life easier, to save time, and because they're the trusted professional to look after that homeowner. However, most salespeople are afraid to make the decision for the homeowner. They are afraid of picking the wrong color or the wrong product, which in return makes an unhappy homeowner and they get a bad review. A salesperson has to show confidence and know that their choice is a correct one. Then he or she can inform the homeowner that there's no need to worry, they're in good hands, and you will assist with making the decisions throughout the whole remodel with their best interest at heart. The homeowner has to trust the salesperson and believe that all the products and materials will be of the highest quality, and it'll also meet exactly what the homeowner is visualizing. Without this connection and trust, you will never make the sale, let alone have a satisfied client. I trusted my wife to make the perfect decision on dinner, and she did. The lo mein and fortune cookies were fantastic. I have seen some contractors pick inferior products or second-rate products just to make more profit on a job or just to get the job done quicker. This never comes out great. The client will soon see what the contractor has done just to cut corners or save money behind their back, and now that homeowner, they begin to wonder where else they cut corners, and now that trust has been broken. Now they're looking everywhere in that kitchen for other things that they did. My wife and I were indecisive until someone took charge and said, this is what we'll have and it'll be great. But in the end, a decision was made and we got our food. So don't let your prospects starve. Feed their appetite with your knowledge, your personality, and most of all, your confidence. That's why you were hired to do their job. We'll see you next week.